And we do want to pause for a moment here and welcome in our viewers who are joining us after the UCLA football game on Channel 2.
That's right. You are watching KCAL News at 8 on CBS Los Angeles.
Okay, well, this latest blast of heat is pushing people to the coast, but there are dangerous conditions there. We're talking big waves from Tropical Storm Jova. KCAL reporter Lauren Posen takes a look.
It may be sizzling in the valleys, but the beach is the place to be this weekend. Don't believe me? Just look behind me at the line of cars on PCH. That line continues all the way to the front here. This is just to get into the parking lot here. For many, it's worth the wait to escape the heat.
Just a beautiful day out.
This group of friends came to the beach to play a friendly game of volleyball. But this getaway to escape the triple digits almost didn't happen.
We almost turned around.
It was about 25 minutes just to turn into the parking lot.
Yes.
One after another, a line of cars backed up on PCH, waiting for that light to turn green.
I didn't want to go down to a different beach that had like just the highway behind it. I wanted something a little bit more scenic.
Not only is the heat on, so are the waves. LA County lifeguards posted this picture Saturday, telling beachgoers to be on the watch out for big waves and dangerous rip currents because of Tropical Storm Jova.
That makes sense. The water actually felt pretty strong. I came back and said that it felt like there was a really strong current pulling me out.
As for the heat over in the San Fernando Valley,
we don't have a choice.
So this dad and his daughters made the best of it.
They want to play. You know, today is a Saturday and school is off. They want to come out.
Others took advantage of the big trees and the shade to stay cool.
It's really good because it's a little breezy.
Whether in the valleys or at the beach, everyone is taking advantage of the last days of summer.
It's a little bit more humid than I expected. I knew it was going to be warm, but just the humidity. But it's okay. It's beautiful out here.
Now, as inviting as that water looks, lifeguards are encouraging everyone to check in with them before heading in. And that's because of those dangerous riptides this tropical storm could bring. Reporting in Pacific Palisades, Lauren Posen, KCAL News.
Tonight, the search continues for victims after a powerful